Welcome to the Introduction to Arduino course, designed for both students and educators. Whether you're guiding a classroom or learning on your own, this course will walk you through the exciting world of electronics and coding, step by step. Arduino is a small, programmable microcontroller. Think of it as a tiny computer that can control lights, motors, and sensors. It's used in everything from DIY projects to robotics and automation. From the home screen, you can navigate to each of the 9 lessons. The language can be toggled using the buttons on the top right of the screen. Each of the 9 lessons in this course includes a short pretest to check your starting point, followed by 4 to 5 hands-on tasks that build your skills. You'll finish each lesson with a post-test to measure what you've learned. If you're learning on your own, short videos will guide you through each step. If you're in a classroom, your teacher will lead the way and help you explore each task together. Here's how a typical lesson works. Task 1 introduces a component, like the breadboard, with clear images and descriptions, including short videos. Task 2 will introduce a new component, provide details, and safe usage. Task 3 will provide instructions on how to use components and different ways to identify, in this case, resistance. Task 4 walks you through how to wire the circuit using a diagram and a parts list. Then, you'll enter the code that brings your circuit to life. To get started, you'll need a basic Arduino kit. Don't worry, we'll guide you through every connection and every line of code. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build and program your own interactive projects. Whether you're teaching or learning, you're about to unlock a whole new world of creativity and problem solving. Let's get started.